Hello all, welcome to our video series exploring maintenance tips, tricks, and best practices. I'm Stuart Ferguson, the Solutions Engineering Lead here at Fix, and I'm going to be talking about the backbone of maintenance, work orders. A well-built work order is key to maintenance success. We're going to explore 6 core steps that go into creating the ideal work order. Work orders are the engine of your maintenance operation. They power your team and move work from point A to point B. A maintenance work order is essentially a communication tool. It conveys all the information about a repair or inspection so the task can be completed. Work orders help everyone on a maintenance team organize, assign, prioritize, track, and complete tasks as efficiently as possible. All maintenance work orders have a life cycle with 6 main steps. The first step is to identify what has to be done. If it's a planned maintenance task, you can do the step ahead of time. If reactive, this is done on an as-needed basis. Step 2 is to create a maintenance request. This is when the details of a job are put together and submitted to maintenance for further action. This can be generated automatically through a preventative maintenance strategy. Step 3 is to prioritize and schedule the work. Work orders are prioritized based on criticality and repair time, and are scheduled based on set deadlines, a maintenance trigger, or dedicated blocks of time. Step 4 is to assign and complete the work order. In other words, this is the step where the work gets done. It's assigned to a technician who completes the task. Step number 5 is to close and document the work order. Well-organized work order files are key for quicker repairs, preparing for audits, and more. This is too often the last step in the process. However, by following the steps laid out to this point, it enables one further action. Step 6. Step 6 is to analyze and rework the work order. Studying past work orders can help you identify root cause and allow you to fix recurring problems once and for all. Additionally, your team can see what processes are working and which need further fine-tuning. Remember, work orders are a pillar of great maintenance. When managed properly, they give your team the stability and structure it needs to be effective and efficient. Read our post about work order management to find out how to build the perfect request, what tools make the job easier, and more.